Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome one more time to DeFi Daily. Guys, as you know, Fantom is going to the moon. And today I bring you the top 5 projects, in my opinion, in this ecosystem. I'm going to show you a quick review of each project so that you can start investing immediately in each of them, so that you can also ride that trip to the moon with me. And if you like this type of videos, please subscribe to the channel. Please remember to click the like button. It's going to take 1 second and you're really going to help the channel to continue growing. And with that said, let's start with the review of the top Fantom projects. Hello guys, so the first project that I bring you is Geist. Geist, it's a fork of Aave. Those of you that have used Aave, this is the same. Aave, you have it in Polygon, you have it in Avalanche, you have it in Ethereum. Well, this is a fork, so the same functionality. You can deposit and you can borrow tokens. Basically, you are lending and you are borrowing. What is really cool is they pay you for lending. So right now, if you lend DAI, which is what I did, they're paying you 40% APY for lending. But look at these guys. They are also paying you for borrowing. So yeah, right now they're paying you about 53% for borrowing a coin. So basically, there's a very cool strategy that you can follow here. You can deposit DAI as a collateral, earn 40%. Then you borrow USDC. They are going to pay you 39% for all the USDCs that you borrow. Then those USDC that we borrow, we're going to swap them to DAI using Curve. And we're going to deposit them again as a collateral. They're going to be paying us 40% for those USDCs. And then with that as a collateral, we're going to be able to borrow more. You deposit, you borrow. You deposit, you borrow. So that's the strategy, guys. Very interesting. The platform is great. You can see here your dashboard. Like I said, in my case, I have this 600 DAI, so I haven't yet borrowed, but I'm gonna do it after I finish recording this video. So make sure, guys, you do the same strategy. Go and check out Geist. You can lend, borrow, amazing. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so the next project that I want to review is Tarot. Tarot, it's a great project because this is the only project that I've seen in Fantom so far that allows you to do leveraged yield farming. Some of you might be aware, or you guys have done trading, leverage trading. So this is basically the same, but with yield farming pools and farms. So for example, you have this vault and farm in Spirit, which is USDC Fantom, and basically Tarot allows you or gives you the opportunity to do a 3 times leverage at 412 APY, which is just amazing, guys, right? Considering that you are using USDC and Fantom that are very good and very stable tokens. But you could this, you have Bitcoin, Ethereum at almost 100% with a 3x, and it's very simple to use, guys. I'm going to be doing probably very soon in detail review of the project where I'm going to teach you the functionality. But basically what you're doing is you're leveraging your liquidity pool tokens. You're going to be able to deposit your liquidity pool tokens and you're going to be able to leverage them. So yeah, like I said, you need to deposit the LP first and then you're going to be able to leverage it, maximizing the APY and APR that you're going to earn. So Tarot, very interesting, very complete project, leverage yield farming in Fantom. The next project that I want to show you guys is MorpheusSwap. MorpheusSwap, I really like it because it's been a project that has been behaving extremely well in the past almost 3 weeks, I think. I've been investing here since it launched, since the first day. And first of all, the behavior of the token has been amazing. For those of you who are more used to these yield farming projects, you know that the token must be as stable as possible. Of course, if it goes up, it's the best. Usually yield farming tokens dump very easily, but in this case Morpheus has been able to behave amazingly, right? It was for, I think, the first 2 weeks at $2, then it went to 3.5, it even reached the $7. Now it's back at 4. But yeah, overall it has been keeping a sustained stability, and the farms and the yields that we're getting paid are very good. So we have a lot of farms and pools using Morpheus and tokens like FTM or USDC paying more than 500%, which is, I think, really good. But still, Boo FTM, it's paying almost 100%. The Spirit FTM 157%. I think there's some very good APRs that we can still get in a project that has been behaving very good. So that's great. In my case, I have, look, Bitcoin, I have about 700, almost giving me 100% in APR, which is amazing. And I've been doing this for 3 weeks, guys. So you can imagine the amount of benefits that I've been able to generate. I also have Ethereum here, almost $500 of Ethereum. And they are paying me about 75% APR, which is also very, very good. So guys, go check out Morpheus. I think it has been one of the best performing yield farm projects in Fantom so far. Another huge project in Fantom ecosystem, it's always a SpookySwap. This is the top DEX and yield farming project in the Fantom ecosystem. This is actually the oldest one. It was the first one that launched and where I invested. So if you are looking for probably the less risky project, you should go check out SpookySwap. In this case, a very interesting strategy that I am using. You have Fantom Boo as a pool. In this case, I have invested $832 and it's paying me a very good APR. And basically all the benefits that I am harvesting, I am reinvesting them as Boo because I think the token in the long term is gonna grow. So I'm compounding. And what I am doing is I am reinvesting it in this menu, in the stake Boo. So it's really, really interesting because you stake your Boo at a 26.76%. They pay you with XBoo, and then what I am doing is I am reinvesting those XBoo to earn other tokens. So in my case, I decided to earn WFTM. So those XBoo, I am getting paid 44.26%. So it's a compound interest strategy. You first invest in a farm, the benefits from the farm, you stake your Boo, you earn XBoo, and then with that XBoo, you earn other tokens. Very interesting, guys. Compound interest at its maximum, so it's great. With that, we've covered our fourth project of today, which was Boo. The next one is going to be Spirit. But before that, guys, I just want to ask you if you're liking the video, if you're liking this type of quick reviews, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like, make sure you leave your comments to let me know that you're liking this so that I can keep doing more videos like this. Make sure that you also take some time to review the previous video on the channel about the Fantom ecosystem, because there you're going to see more details about how to invest and how to start staking your tokens in these farms and these pools. And now let's go to our final review. The next top yield farming ecosystem in Fantom is SpiritSwap, guys. I covered this in my first review. For those of you who saw it and entered, you guys have been able to make amazing gains. Right now the token is at 0.45. I think when I did the review first time, it was at 0.20 or 0.15. So, 3x. So congratulations to all of you who entered a couple of weeks ago. Go check out my video because it's going to show you the in detail strategy on how to generate compound interest. But yeah, currently I have invested in one of their boosted farms. So this is very, very interesting because on a farm with Bitcoin and Fantom, which is usually paying 69%, they have an APR range. So basically they are boosting these farms and they are paying right now 108% APR, which is very, very good. It's amazing, guys. There is a boost factor that you're getting, and right now I'm investing here almost $1,500, which is a good and decent amount, and I am earning quite a good profit. So here I have already $1.3 to harvest, and I think I harvest a couple hours ago. So it's very, very good, the profits that we are earning. You have also the traditional farms where you can earn very good interest. So for example, you have let's check it out. USDC FTM that it's paying, guys, 94%, sorry, which is very, very good. I have invested here $670. I recommend if you guys are looking for good APRs with stable coins, definitely this is one of the best options. Of course, guys, this is not financial advice. You should do your own research. There's always risk in investing in this type of projects, but if you've decided to do it, I think SpiritSwap is a good option. You have, Sushi FTM, CRV FTM. All of these are, consolidated tokens, Link FTM, and they're all paying almost 70, 80%, 90%, 117%, which is very, very good. So still, a SpiritSwap, great option. And then to complete the review of SpiritSwap, I wanted to show the in-spirit functionality, which is great. What it allows you is also to do a compound interest strategy. So basically what you can do is the benefits that you're generating in the SpiritSwap farms, You reinvest them by staking those spirits. So the spirit that they pay you, you can reinvest them here, right? So you're gonna lock them. In my case, I have already locked 348 spirit. I could, for example, this 8.41 in my wallet currently, I could also stake them, and you lock them for a certain amount of time. In my case, I decided to lock them for 3 years because I think in the long term this is a project that will succeed. And basically I'm getting paid at 27% APR, which is not bad. But what this allows me to do is to have votes in the governance of the project. So I am deciding which are the farms that they are gonna boost. I have decided to boost WBTC FTM. I put 100% of my votes in WBTC FTM. And I am doing this because that's the farm where I've invested the most money, right? So if you remember, as part of the boosted farms, I have actually invested my money in this WBTC FTM. So again, all the benefits that I generate here, I can do two things. Either I can reinvest them in this same farm, so I would sell my spirit into Bitcoin and Fantom and reinvest them here, or you can get your spirits, you can bring them into InSpirit, and you can stake them there in order to vote to keep on increasing or making sure that WBTC is always one of the boosted farms. Again, multiple strategies that you guys can follow, but this is the magic of these projects, right? That they give the user the freedom to choose what strategy they want to follow. And with that said, guys, we've reached the end of today's video. Again, this is for you to learn. That's what I want. I want you to learn how to invest, to create your own strategies. And if you guys are liking this type of videos, if you like, these new projects, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. You click the like button. It will take you a couple minutes, but you're really going to help the channel to continue growing. Said this, thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I'll see you next time on DeFi Daily. Bye-bye.